Okay, for independent events. If A is the event of the result of spinning a fair coin and B is the event of the number obtained when a pair of dice is rolled. So these events are unrelated. Okay, unrelated maksudnya dia punya outcome. Okay, dia tak ada kaitan. Okay, untuk fair coin dia akan dapat head or tail. Untuk a pair of dice. Okay, so dia punya yang terlibat, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So dia tak terlibat. Okay, tak terlibat to each other. Okay, not related. Okay, then obtaining a head on the coin will not influence the outcome on the die. Okay, such events are said to be independent. Okay, so sekiranya kita dapat outcome, apa-apa outcome pada coin, ia tidak akan mempengaruhi outcome pada dadu tersebut. Okay, now let's consider an example of rolling a die. If A is the event, the number appearing is odd, and B is the event, the number appearing is a multiple of 3. So for A, okay, number appearing is odd, nombor ganjil, so 1, 3 and 5. Untuk B, multiple of 3, so 3 and 6. Okay, 3 and 6. Okay, we can get probability of A. So untuk event A, okay, adalah 3/6 ataupun 1/2. So 3 tu adalah bilangan outcome pada A dan 6 adalah bilangan semua outcome yang ada. Okay, so NS is equals to 6. Okay, how about PB? PB we have 2 outcomes, so 2/6 or 1/3. And for A intersect B, okay, di mana outcome yang bersilang ataupun yang sama adalah pada 3. Okay, so A intersect B, the outcome is 3. So the probability is 1/6, okay, for A intersect B. Okay, let's say we want to find PA given B. Okay, the conditional probability. The formula is PA intersect B over PB. Okay, both values, both probability we already have. So PA intersect B is 1/6 divided with 1/3. So we will get 1/2. So if A and B are independent events, it means that the outcome of one event does not affect the outcome of the other. Okay, sekiranya dia adalah independent, dia tak akan mempengaruhi, tidak mempengaruhi antara satu sama lain. So bila tak mempengaruhi, maksudnya for PA given B is equals to PA. Okay, B tak terlibat, jadi kita boleh keluarkan daripada formula, dan PB given A is equals to PB. Okay, only PB. So we want to use the multiplication rule of probability. So PA intersect B is equals to PA given B multiply with PB. Okay, this is multiplication rule. So therefore, if A and B are independent event, so we can conclude that PA intersect B equals to PA multiply with PB. Okay, so for this one, because it is independent, okay, we can find it by using PA.
Okay, now we will take a look at the relationship between mutually exclusive and independent event. Okay, from the previous video, we have learned mutually exclusive, so we know what is mutually exclusive is. So two events A and B are said to be mutually exclusive if it is not possible that both of them to occur at the same time. So maksudnya event A dan event B tu tak boleh berlaku pada masa yang sama. Dan kita tahu kalau nak prove yang mutually exclusive event tu, kita kena cari probability of A intercept B, dia akan dapat sama dengan kosong. Sebab dia tak ada intersection lah. Okay, next, event A and B are said to be independent if the probability of B occurring is unaffected by the occurrence of the event A happening. So dia independent. Independent maksudnya berdikari lah. So independent kalau kita tengok daripada formula tadi, PA intercept B is equal to PA times PB. Okay, we can conclude that if two events are mutually exclusive, then they are not independent. So kalau event tu mutually exclusive, then they are not independent, and vice versa lah. Okay, so kita tunjuk example sikit. Okay, still remember mutually exclusive. So we have two circle that does not intersect each other. So this is mutually exclusive. So let's say probability of A is greater than 0 and probability of B is greater than 0. So maksudnya probability tu kita ada nilai. Jadi of course PA times PB is greater than 0 as well. Okay, now we know that kalau mutually exclusive, probability of A intercept B must be equal to 0, which is not equal to PA times PB. Okay, sebab PB kat sini dekat yang kita tulis tadi ni, dia adalah greater than 0. Tapi mutually exclusive, dia must be equal to 0. So we can say that we can conclude kat atasnya lah. So if two events are mutually exclusive, then they are not independent. Okay, so kita tengok example. Example 6. Given here event E and F such that probability of E is 1 over 4 and probability of E intercept F is 1 over 10. So if E and F is an independent event, so dia dah highlight kat sini E dan F tu adalah independent event. Jadi bila dia highlightkan, dia bagi tahu E dan F tu independent event, baru kita boleh guna formula untuk independent. Kalau dia tak sebut, kita tak boleh pandai-pandai assume dia adalah independent. Okay, soalan pertama, find probability of F. So macam mana kita nak cari probability of F? So dia dah given dalam question, probability of E, kalau independent event, probability of E intercept F is equal to PE times PF. So PE intercept F is 1 over 10. So PE is 1 over 4. Then PF ni adalah kita nak cari. Okay, so apa awak kena buat adalah kita akan bawa lah 1 over 4 to the left hand side. Jadi awak kira awak akan dapat PF tu adalah 2 over 5. Or kalau you nak bagi jawapan dalam decimal, dia adalah 0.4. So bagi jawapan salah satu saja, tak perlu tulis dua-dua. Okay, next. Soalan B. We want to find the probability of E union F. So this one kita akan guna additional probability rule, which is PE plus PF minus PE intercept F. So additional probability rule ni kita boleh guna bila-bila lah. So PE union F. So PE kita ada 1 over 4, and PF we already calculate in the first part A. So we got 2 over 5, and then minus with our intercept 1 over 10. So using your calculator, and then you akan dapat 11 over 20. Okay, proceed to question C. You need to find the probability of F given E. So, conditional probability. Kita dah belajar dekat slide sebelum ni, kalau the independent events bermaksud probability ni not depend on E. So, which is kita akan terus dapat jawapan dia adalah PF, probability of F. Jadi, probability of F is 2/5. So, that's all. That's it. Your answer macam tu saja. Okay, proceed kepada soalan D. Okay, ni sambungan daripada tadi lah. Okay, so dia nak probability of F given E bar. So, bila independent maksudnya dia tak bergantung kat belakang ni. Jadi, awak akan dapat sama dengan probability of F. So, yang kita dapat tadi adalah 2/5. Okay, so soalan E. Dia minta kita cari probability of F bar given E. So, this is an independent event. Jadi, awak akan dapat PF bar. So, PF bar is equal to 1 minus PF, which is 1 minus 2/5, dan you akan dapat 3/5. Okay, sama juga untuk soalan F. You need to find the probability of E bar given F bar, which is equal to PE bar. So, 1 minus PE. So, 1 minus PE is 1/4. So, answer is 3/4. Okay, so remember kita cuma boleh guna this formula bila soalan sebut dia independent. Kalau tak, awak kena guna conditional probability formula. Okay, so that's all for this video. So we will continue for the next video. So thank you for listening.